then if you see this one, also why cannot let longer than I think it's almost the same now. Right? Yes, what is the issue message by this what we call today Darren is not here.
On the way.
On the way. And who else? I think most of them go back and rush for the assignment project. Can we use simple if? So it's the issue one is the simple if.
The simple if it will check everything, even if it's grade A, check bonus becomes bonus, and it will still check if it's grade B and it will check if it's grade C.
Then if we use this one is a multi if else, right?
Yes.
Multi if else, right? So this one, what is the issue here? What is the problem here? Difficult to trace right? If we use multiple if else.
Difficult to trace?
I mean you have to look inside to the logic or the logic, yes. If it's great, else is great. Is anyone doing the coding in this way? If it's grade A, grade B, grade C, do what?
I think if you look at my FRP source code, I think you can find something like this, but the comparison is not as simple as this one.
Can we simplify this one? Possible to simplify?
Switch case. Switch case. Use the comparison is very simple, right?
So,
It's grade B, C, D, right, isn't it? Okay. I treated the grade A is enough for example. Okay. So bonus equals to call different functions. Call different functions.
And just return the function directly.
Return the function.
Like instead of just bonus equals full bonus, you just return bonus, return half bonus, return quarter bonus, return bonus.
Better don't have so many return.
Okay.
Yeah. So other than switch case, because the function is different, no? Full, half, quarter, no bonus.
I mean, we can just, if the bonus is the same, we can just have one function and we just only
Return the bonus, right?
return the bonus and we just times 1/2 and times 1/4 times 0.
I guess we can have one function to represent all these full function, half bonus function, quarter bonus and no bonus only. Okay. Maybe we can just pass certain parameter lah. Okay. Like that. Then any other idea besides switch case using one function? I guess that's it we can do for this coding, right? Okay, it's very simple one. Then how about the second one? This one seems really weird. This coding.
Looks like hard coding.
It seems no issue, but quite different for the code, right? How are we going to solve? How to make the code more better? Yes.
No.
How to make the code better? Improve the code.
Also Swiss case.
No, here cannot. You want to put it only one, you have to use Swiss case. Jason? Jason?
Yeah.
Yes. Are we going to improve this code? What is the issue in this code? This one? Who's very good in programming here?
Brandon.
Personally, I will use function overloading like this.
不要叫我。
Function overloading.
Yes.
Why function overloading? Overloading means that you are going to have different parameters.
Yes.
Okay. So no error one. Error one. Just that the pattern or the style in his way of putting very weird. Why very weird? Yes. Anyone can tell me? Melvin? Okay. So I 6 students only. I already call most of the class already. So how about Emma or Sam?
Sam coding very good one.
Sam coding very good, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Last time I heard that Sam is the winner of the coding competition. Yes.
Wow, Sam very
3,000 for
good.
SDU.
Really, Sam?
Huh?
What?
Yes, I'm waiting for your answer class.
I don't know what simple if one, why not else if.
Why don't you it seems like weird, right? This coding is a very weird one. Suggest can
I think cannot.
No need to repeat the measure equal in not case.
Why don't need that?
Because same only the reading difference.
You see, class, what is the weird things in these functions? Okay, assign reading. The weird thing is, you look at the content there. Okay, the intended variable value set is different variable. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
If equal ignore case weight, weight equals to reading. If equal ignore case is equals to reading. It seems like very weird, right? Actually, these two different cases already. So, in order, if two different cases means that this function is performing more than one task.
Yeah, so I say maybe overloading.
Then what you should do, you should separate into two functions.
Function overloading.
You see function overloading.
Kind of like the concept lah.
We only need the we need the measure and the reading also, right? And then how are you going to overload? Because this tool is required as a parameter.
I mean, in what circumstance would this assigned reading be used?
Yeah, reading and measure we still need as a parameter, right? So if you want to use overloading, then how to overload it? You can overload
Instead of a void function, you can make it a float function, and instead of just calling it like this and directly updating weight and piece according to the address, we can just in the other code section, if you want to assign a value to weight equals assigned reading over what, piece equals assigned reading over what.
Have to have two different functions. I guess overloading tak boleh lah. Overloading tak boleh. Overriding maybe can. Overriding maybe can. But you have to create a interface class or abstract class. Simple abstract class. Okay? Yeah. Understand lah? This would.
Understand? Override good. Not same one. Because the type is same.
Okay. Yes. What The same one
The type is same.
The type is what type is it?
Get from the major.
What is it? What happened? The aircon Wow. No more. Okay. So we use separate into two different functions. Two different names also can one. If you don't want to use the overriding. If you want to use the overriding, then you can use the overriding lah. But you have to create additional class for example.
I don't think it's a good idea to directly update parameters that are not specified in the to update variables that are not specified in parameters directly within the void function. I think it's better to return that value to the assigned.
Yeah. Return reading Return reading
But later when you debug, suddenly weight change, but you don't know, wait, in which part did it change?
It's a global variable. So in this case, the or maybe public variable is in the same class. Okay. So in this case, then how many functions we need to solve this issue? 3 functions, right?
No, 3 functions.
Let's say I'm not using those object-oriented concept. Okay. I separate into 2 functions, different name. Like one. Yeah, because it's intended for different variable.
Assign weight, assign piece.
Yeah, assign weight, assign piece mark. And then reading mark, return the reading mark. Yeah, 3 functions. We need to have 3 sub-functions. 3 functions of that. One assign reading. One is assign weight, one is assign piece, and another one is to return the reading. Alright.
One return the reading, why only another one is to return the reading? It's returned in the assign weight, assign piece.
Also can. Understand? Understand? Understand what you're talking about?
Sorry, I know it's
Okay, for this.
For so long already, I'm sure you can understand.
For this one, for this task 2, the solution is we split it into 2 functions. One is to assign the weight, another one is to assign the piece. Okay, because why the problem on this coding is very weird, because he intended for 2 different variables, okay, weight and piece. You get me? So therefore, we cannot use switch here. And then somehow we directly assign the value of weight and piece. But weight and piece is not as a local in these functions. Okay, we assume that it's a public variable within the class or global variable within the program. So therefore, it's not good to become this one. So maybe we can change the void to return the reading, which is the float. Okay, and then another one is to assign the piece reading. One is assign the weight reading, another one is to assign the piece Understand? Okay? Okay lah. You understand what I'm talking about? Hey, year 3 already leh. Okay, now this function why? Because it's target into two different variables, weight and what piece, right? So in this case, it's not so suitable because you cannot use this case. Am I right? Okay, you cannot use others. So in this case, you have to split into two functions. Let's say I modify because the return value is assigned value is a reading value. It's a float, right? Float, and then you should have another assigned weight. Okay, another function assign what you call piece, right?
The green piece.
Like this lah. Okay, one is to assign the piece, one is to assign the weight. But this one you return the function only, understand? Then you call the in here if you want to assign the piece, then your piece equals to assign piece lah. Understand? You get me, class? Okay, means one function is intended for one particular variable, doing one task, not doing two tasks. Understand? Okay, this one. Okay? So now we come to the question here. What is mean by dirty code? What is dirty code?
Messy and hard to read.
Hard to read, hard to understand, not efficient. Okay? This is the dirty code lah. Then what is the dead code? Not cannot run. Can run, but he will not be executed.
Then what's the difference?
Cannot run means that maybe got syntax error or logic error. So the code don't have syntax error one. Just that you put inside in your program this code will never run because of your logic issue. The logic the condition never will be met by the program one. Okay, let's say you have 4 conditions. Okay, however the condition number 4 never will be met by the program one. So means that the code inside the condition 4 never execute one. So it's a
Because usage rate. Because usage rate.
Yeah, just cause additional thing in your code in your program okay, but this code is no use one. Okay, maybe it's not necessarily because of the coding. It's your logic of your program. Understand? Okay, logic of your program. Maybe he did not meet this condition because you set the program in a way that this condition will never be met. Understand? Okay, this is the okay. So task 2 done already. Still got any task? No more already. No more already. No more already. Okay. So and then we come to this one. Refactoring is which type of maintenance thing? Affecting core, very obvious, right? So what are the factors that affect the application of refactoring? What are the factors? The complexity of the code, knowledge of the programmer, okay, and what else? The dependency level of degree of dependency, coupling, and then what else? Tools. Any other factors? Any other factors? Performance no lah. Okay, think of these few things lah. Understand? Okay. Now let's say for our practical 10, now as you can see, starting from today, and the future one, the practical will be very easy one already. Okay, week 12, week 13, until the IT service management, I think that one you really do that. It's like finding and observation. What is that? Public domain one, sorry. Okay, so since we still got time, we do a bit on our last year lah. Okay. Library. RUMTI. Turn to my internet. This is better. Maybe I'll get the assessment A. E-print. The master question is not accessible. What happened? Loading. Wow, again.
What?
This noise. This sound.
Jalas.
Wow.
Where did it come from? Your phone. Show it.
Your phone, Why?
I don't know.
Is it going to
Explore.
explore?
Is it? Okay, the
You try to off your handphone better. Or this very dangerous. Yeah.
Hacker. Or some robber, is it? When on the way it's coming.
Is it overheated?
I never use also since
Better off
Really,
it.
no phone got that kind of sound thing?
I don't know.
Or it got just we don't know.
Yeah, that's
Is
the
it some hacker already hacked into your handphone?
I'm not an important person.
Huh?
I'm not an important
But they don't know you are an important person.
Later they see your FIP or
I'm jobless.
Maybe they're practicing.
Oh.
Then you are the one.
They use your handphone as a practice also can.
Is it because my final project I installed inside?
Oh.
It's like
Maybe
got
also
software
more.
problem.
I know if you get any code from say start from outside. Yeah, like I'm using the.
I cannot access to
from
your
Bootstrap also.
past year version. What happened? E-print.classy.edu tak boleh ni. I thought I can access. Can be accessed 24 hours. Except for 10 morning. Okay. Hey, like this cannot keep on. Aiyo, hey, can you access to the pass here? Pass. My computer is not able to access.
You see, yeah, I think it's the website problem.
That's
Because
Yeah,
Correct.
see?
yes, I go YouTube very fast, but when I go to ePrints.hc.edu.my, it says
No,
the
that's
site
not right.
cannot be reached.
Then how this?
I think the past year paper how to run away from you.
Then we go meet.
We
Then we
discuss
can
too
have
many.
breakfast together.
I discussed too many pass here already.
Past year scared of you already.
We can have a breakfast together.
Low availability, this is the.
And today is not my day lah. How come?
No lah, don't blame yourself, brother. This is low availability.
Something in the morning I want to do something still. Oh, no, you know what happened? Yeah. I see eat things.
And the fulfillment of non-functional requirement.
Availability, reliability. Okay. Report. Yeah.
Hey, we pay our fees there.
You see, at least I'm wasting time.
Yeah, no refund one.
Never mind. Okay. Ask Sanjay to come up with a solution.
Huh?
Yeah. 你想问题？
Next time, I better go and download all the.
Maybe we can do a little bit of tutorial now and then tomorrow we look at other questions.
Tomorrow got tutorial.
Friday is tutorial, correct?
Tutorial, but I haven't tutorial yet. Cover all the. Tutorial 9 done already. This one done already. I believe done already. This one done already. Class tutorial 9. Done already, Then tutorial 10. This one really passive one. Okay, tutorial 10 is about refactoring yesterday. We completed already. Okay, you do one question 2018. Not so old this one. Okay.
Refactoring your benefit software in this aspect. Make the code more easily to read and understand, more less complicated.
How using means that the benefit of refactoring okay, short. So now what is the benefit of refactoring
It does not have to be specific to code statements becoming complicated It's just general benefit.
Then the code will be more efficient, right? Okay, the code will be more easier to comprehend. Okay, the complexity of the code will be reduced. Fourth, because 8 months, I guess you could provide 4 points. Okay,
Make it easier for future maintenance.
easier for future maintenance. Easier to maintain. Okay. B, differentiate type of assertion in refactoring formalism. What type of assertion? 3 assertion, right? Pre-condition, post-condition, and the last one is what? Assertion itself. Okay. So analyze this one. How complexity, size, testability of a program will be affected by refactoring. Complexity definitely will be reduced. Okay. Size may or may not.
Yeah, maybe it will become bigger.
If let's say your code is very complex but very short, then after refactoring, your code will be longer a bit but become more simple. It's possible also, isn't it? So this one not necessary one. Understand? You have to explain. Understand? Okay. Testability definitely is improved Cannot after refactoring, cannot test. Understand? Okay. So complexity reduced, size may be reduced, may be increased one. Okay, but I don't think the increment will be so high lah. Of size, the testability will be improved. Understand? What is good smell? What is good smell? Yes, Darren. Darren, yesterday you sleep very early.
Huh?
Yesterday you sleep very early.
Sleep very early. Why?
It seems like very tired.
I never sleep.
Never sleep. Means today 5 o'clock a.m. you only sleep up.
No, never sleep.
Never sleep up. You why project?
5 p.m. Tomorrow is a system period.
It's the period. Tomorrow what? So fast. Come on, I so slow one.
Not slow, you kind.
Huh?
You kind enough.
I know because I just received the message yesterday saying that I need to key in mask very early. So I have to be very early already.
Don't lah, you. Don't lah. I know that do lah. Don't lah.
The system preview is with the moderator also.
I don't think
Only with his
Masinda make.
The moderator one already done yesterday with. Now the Friday one, the remaining.
Oh, the moderator is you only line.
And some other.
Actually, there's a very part of the session.
Oh. Okay, yes, what is good smell? Darren. Good smell got how many kind of flavor?
Got me.
Curry, laksa, loto, tom yum. Okay, so what is a good smell? Good smell actually is those syntax of your or structure of your code. Okay, that may when you look at it, there is a possibility that there will be an error inside there. Understand? Okay, let's say for example, okay, long pairing, this side. Okay, long pudding. Understand?
Is it
Okay.
duplicate? The
Duplicate code.
consider one, right?
These are all the examples. Okay, good smell. We go to 2019. I know this one. Actually, I don't like this question. This question is not that. How to say? I don't know. The way the question is asking is very weird. So now come to this one. 2018. An insurance company has a web application to process daily transactions for 3 years. To improve the understanding of the system, the director of the company has decided to refactor the system. 3 external quality. This one mentioned. You must use the 3 the external quality. What are the external quality class? In your refactoring topics, there is internal quality and external quality. So what is external quality? What is external quality?
Good question.
Yes?
Also,
Also in your notes, faster.
I don't know why, but the chartered one cannot. It's the only one that cannot be previewed.
I don't know. Sometimes this PowerPoint.
I just can't okay.
Yes, what are the external quality in your notes? Next subject.
Search first.
Performance, reliability, maintainability, accessibility, robustness, and scalability.
Performance, reliability, and then what else?
Reusability.
Reusability.
maintainability. Yeah, and they say performance, reusability, maintainability, extensibility, robustness, and scalability. No reliability.
So, no reliability, okay. So, this maintainability will be improved, okay? Because the code will be refactored, okay, in a manner that, okay, the modularity of the code will be improved. Okay, so therefore maintenance will be easier. So next one, scalability. This is scalability. Usability. The usability of the system will also be improved. And then what else?
So many quality you say got, but here don't have. You confused already. No usability or.
No usability.
Should be add
No, we will add. If no, then we'll add. Okay, that means that we only have maintainability and extendability,
extensibility, robustness,
scalability, all these DT, but actually all this DT is being improved lah. Understand? Okay.
How do you differentiate internal and external? Like what is the
external is more on the system when we look at it as from the user point of view. I know because it's maintainability okay. So as a system as a whole when we look at the system outside, okay. So internal one is more on the characteristic. Let's say for example the size of the system. Okay, the size of the system. This is the internal side. Sometimes this thing number 10, right?
Yes.
I think he also got issue.
Slide 13.
Mana? Got maintainability or external or something?
Yeah, no reliability, those kind of stuff.
This one is more on the from the external view on the system, the entire system one. Understand?
External view, we cannot see the size one.
Cannot see the size. Yeah, complexity you also cannot see coupling cohesion, testability also cannot see one. Alright, it's the internal thing. Okay. So when we look at this here, high coupling, high dependency, okay, then in this case it's difficult to test. Alright. Okay.
Maintainability needs to look into the inside, right?
Maintainability maybe is more on outside say, is it the component can be replaced or not? Easy to maintain or not? Yeah. So this is more outside system wise.
I memorize it. I just memorize.
But the maintainability is affected by the internal qualities. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that the internal quality is more referring to the structure, the way how the system is being built. Understand? Okay, external quality is the one functional requirement. See that? Okay.
Okay.
And continue. Discover 3 system behavior that you need to preserve. What are the 3 behaviors when we do the refactoring? Actually, this one is referred to the constraint.
Behaviors is
The
functional
constraint.
or non-functional?
No, it's not that. It's the constraint. Let's say the time, the temporal, resources, safety. Okay, these 3 behaviors that you need to.
We need to give an example according to this.
Yes. If this one is a real time, okay, the processing time, okay, may not be affected by the understand? Okay, and then the resources consumption after refactoring, it cannot be consume more resources than the original. Understand? Safety, you should guarantee the safety of the refactor unit, okay, to be used. Understand?
Safety concern also includes security.
Safety concern also.
Includes security products.
Actually, safety and security is different thing.
But in this case, it is still talking about the physical safety.
Not necessarily. Let's say for example, you have refactor, you create a release. Then this release is safe to use means that it won't cause any issue. Okay, let's say maybe wrong result. okay, maybe it won't cause any problems, okay, when it's going to be deployed and used. Understand? It also can refer to okay, because this one is the software side, okay, hardware, no lah. I don't think it's a physical one. Understand? Okay, it's not refer to the physical safety like volcano, earthquake, that one. You get me?
So, but
It's
if
more
you
on the
get
safety in terms of usage.
like correctness.
Correctness for this thing. Okay, it won't corrupt one. Understand?
So if I write an example, it makes an error, but it is due to operations being
And
disordered.
it
That is
will-
safety of that error.
It will not violate the benefit of the user. Understand? It will not harm or cause what else? Affect the benefit of the user. Yeah. In this way better. Okay, now what else? This one we made it during the tutorial time, okay? Because this one I really don't like this question. I'm the one who come up with this question, but I'm the one who don't like this question. Okay, so but we will discuss also okay, during the tutorial time. And this one is straightforward. Okay, please refer back to your notes. So tomorrow we only discuss this question.
So will you make question like this?
Huh?
Will you make question like this?
You will meet this question.
Will you make questions like this in your exam?
This question, I'm the one who come up with this question.
Aiyo, and you don't like it?
I don't like it.
Then why you come up with it?
I feel that it's okay, so tomorrow then means that we only left one question to discuss now. But if you still got time to do the past year, fully the time you can access to the past year question. Or maybe I go and download the latest one. Okay, so that's it. I see you again tomorrow morning. Anyone is coming tomorrow morning? Any student?
I need to pass tomorrow no matter what.
Okay. And please don't forget your assignment.
What second?
So straightforward, give us mark.
3003 okay, BSCS.
Let's see.
Reminder those FIP student underline next week is your system review already cannot.
Mark in 的那个日期
Yeah. Unless you want to see me next you need to show also no choice already cannot delay anymore. Yes. Tomorrow cannot not tomorrow I have physical class. Yeah. So next week you really need to get ready everything. If you remember you still got presentation to do also.
Second revision.
So review expect 100% completion already at the code.
对，不理啊，是吧
Okay. Then what is my code also?
If you can do 100%, that's better. Yeah, and if you cannot, then